Okay, I cannot wait to tell you about this product. It is our Climax Volume Tonic and it's one of my favourite products that we make. It's 94% natural. It gets spritzed onto damp or wet hair before you blow dry, and when you dry your hair, the heat activates the ingredients inside, and this is what gives you amazing volume. So really good on the hair for, you know, if you've got limp hair, if you've got fine hair but lots of it, it really pumps it up. And it's got argan and coconut oils in there to condition the hair as you use it, and natural peppermint, which is what stimulates your roots. So it's so good. Honestly, when people use this, they don't stop using it. It's amazing. It's really one of our underdog products, and it's really easy to use. I mean, like all of our products, all you simply do is sort of take rough sections of your hair. I'm not even usually very careful about it, and I kind of spritz like this. So just always focusing at the root to the midsections first of all. So I'll maybe use like 10 pumps in total, and then I sort of just work that into my hair. So if you just want root lift, just focus on your roots. If you want kind of overall body throughout your hair, simply spray all over. And then you can blow dry it properly. I mean, I usually don't have the time. I just blast dry it and then I style it afterwards. And you're gonna have the most amazing volume after that. So I'll show you the after results soon. Okay, so this is the after of the Climax Volume Tonic. So I've used our Supernova just to put a little bit of a curly wave into my hair. And you can see not only has it lifted the root, it has given me just lovely body throughout the mid to end sections as well. And it's as easy as spritzing it. So, hope you enjoy.